At approximately 5:20 in the morning on October 13, 1928, the Leeds Express mail train collided with a goods train at Charfield station in Gloucestershire, England. The collision derailed several coaches. Within seconds, a second goods train traveling in the opposite direction struck the wreckage. The piled debris caught fire. The fire was intense enough to destroy multiple coaches before it could be controlled. 13 people died. 9 of the bodies were recovered in recognizable condition and identified. 4 were so severely burned that identification was impossible. Among the dead were 2 children, a boy and a girl. Based on the condition of their remains and the accounts of witnesses who saw them before the fire, they appeared to be between approximately 4 and 10 years old. A public appeal was immediately issued across Britain. Newspapers published requests for anyone who had been traveling with children on that train to come forward. The appeal ran nationally and was sustained for weeks. Railway officials examined the passenger manifests and ticket records of the train. No record of the children's travel was found. No parent, guardian, relative, or acquaintance came forward to claim them or explain who they were. No missing persons report matched the description of either child. No one from the towns along the route reported a family that had lost 2 children in the accident. The children were buried together in the churchyard of St. John the Baptist Church in Charfield, in a grave marked with a simple stone. In the decades that followed, a woman dressed in black was reported visiting the grave periodically. Some accounts say annually. She was seen on multiple occasions by local residents over a period of years. She left no name, spoke to no one about her connection to the grave, and was never identified. Whether she had any relationship to the children was never established. The Board of Trade inquiry into the accident was primarily concerned with the cause of the collision. It did not resolve the question of the children's identities. Subsequent historical investigations into the case have found no explanation for why no one ever came forward. The names, origins, and travel purpose of the 2 children who died at Charfield on October 13, 1928 remain unknown.